When it comes to crypto trading platforms in 2025, two of the most popular choices are 3Commas and Cryptohopper. Let's break down what each one offers and what might be the best fit for you. First is 3Commas. 3Commas is known for being super user friendly. It's designed to make the trading experience smooth for both beginners and seasoned traders. You get automated trading bots that can handle things like stop loss and take profit for you, as well as portfolio management tools. Another cool feature is copy trading, where you can mimic the trades of more experienced users. The platform is compatible with several exchanges, making it versatile. Security is top notch with two factor authentication and API key protection. Pricing start at around $14.5 per month, and with all these features, it's solid choice for anyone who wants an intuitive platform with great automation. On the other hand, Cryptohopper caters more to advanced traders. If you like getting into the details, this platform gives you complete control over customizing your trading bots. You can backtest strategies, create your own using their strategy designer, and even buy and sell trading strategies in their marketplace. Cryptohopper also integrates AI driven trading signals, which can give you an edge in the market. You'll find a large community of traders sharing insights, which is a nice bonus. Security is also tight, and pricing starts at $19 per month. If you're looking for deeper customization and more advanced features, this might be your platform. Which one should you choose? So, which is better option in 2025? If you're just starting out or prefer an easy to use platform with automated features, 3Commas might be the way to go. But if you're an advanced trader looking to customize your bots, experiment with different strategies, or even tap into AI driven insights, Crypto Hopper could be the better fit. That's it. Thank you for watching.